morning, guys.
Good morning.
Winch him. Lift, wind down. Lift, wind down, okay? Beautiful. Just like that. Nice and easy. Just like that, bro. That's beautiful. Just like that. Nice and easy. It's okay. He's doing his thing. You're good. You're straight up and down.
Yeah, you're getting them tired.
Don't keep moving. Just stay here. Wind. Right there. See how the rock gives out? You're going to take a crank every time it does that. Right there. Wind. Wind down. Nice and easy. Beautiful. There you go. Smooth. Yes. Roger.
Watch out.
Not too high, bro. Not too high. Nice and easy. Lift, wind. Lift. Wind right there. Lift. Wind right there. Lift. Wind. It's nice. You're beating the game. You know what I mean? Keep going. No. Stay here. Stop moving. Stay here.
Color!
I see it.
Oh, shit! Fuck yeah!
Watch out.
That's a big car! Hell yeah, dude! George!
On a fucking sinker rig?
Yeah.
Give me some, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. Thank you.
Absolutely, dog.
And number 7.
What number, bro?
14.
Look at that, guys. Sliding thing.
All right, forward, back to the bow. Go.
Watch it.
Go.
Make sure you guys give enough space, okay? You got it, Luke? Yeah, you got it?
Microphone checker, swinging sword lecture, closing down the sector, supreme neck protector. Better want him here, Mr. Nestor. Boy, pop the blood with lead from the pressure. Too hot for TV, for cheesy. Too many wanna be hard, be easy.
Get the buoy, we'll get up there.
That's a white.
That's a crazy one. I'll call it close guard.
That was a good one,
Yeah,
bro.
there's no limit on those.
I don't want to have to throw them all back.
Why?
Get it, now sardine.
Door. Surface sign.
You got it, Manny? It's todo, Manny.
Hey, there you go. Hey, right here. He had one.
Pump and wind if you can.
Hey,
Don't
that's
set too much. The sea lines will come at him.
Jump in, Manny.
Come on, Manny. Yeah, be patient, Manny.
Take it.
Oh, was that one? I got it.
You're good.
Oh, a snag? No, that shit's on. Is it on, Manny? That was dope, Manny.
20-pounder.
Yeah.
Fucking pelea,
Hey, everybody.
Hey, wait, that's the same way that motherfucking bro was fighting like.
Look at my program. That shit's heavy, man. That shit's heavy.
Hey, wait, that shit drags over over here, way, and then back, way. Manny's over here on the service side, way.
Hey, Dad, pump that full hole so you can.
Well, later.
Tell me where you land, I'll go. You guys see a photo?
Justin, yeah!
Get off to the bow here, Justin.
Eric, another one, Eric.
Right there.
Yellowtail!
You can do it.
Watch out, guys. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Make some room, make some room. 619, 619. Follow man, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you. Get it. Oh, get it. Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah!
Oh, get it. No. There you go. Ahí está.
Fuck yeah!
Pinche Manny.
Eat the heart!
Hell yeah, Manny. Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
On a surface island.
Fishing it like a yo-yo.
All right, I'm going to start switching.
I'm gonna get my fucking rod. We're gonna run it. Oh, Manny. Hell yeah, Manny. 15 pounder, dog. That's why you keep throwing. That's why you keep throwing the jig, brother. Fuck yeah. Number.
Look at that, guys. Dedication to the fly line. Getting bit.
Yo-yo.
The yo-yo. Surface irons. Bait. They're on the bottom, guys. They're eating. Catch one of these things at any time. Doing great, doing great. Let me do this thing. Let me do this thing. He'll turn his head right now. He'll turn his head right now. Get a crank, get a crank. Yeah. Nice, easy lift. Easy. You're not trying to freak the fish out. Not trying to freak the fish out.
Oh, it's going.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Try to get a half a crank when you can. Right there, wind. Yep, lift. Big lift. Coming back down, guys. Coming up. Turn to turn anything while you're going. While you're walking, yep. Coming underneath, guys. Half a step back, lift your rods. Let them down.
I'm right here.
Wind. Yep. Bully him. Yep. Gotta get him a little bit ways off the ground. He's gonna get you rocked. You wanna get him up. There you go. Wind. Move back down. We're good. Making sure you're not touching his line. All right. Nice and easy. Half a crank. Yep. Another one of those. Yep. Half a crank. Same repeat the same process. You're not trying to gain much. Just keeping his head turned up. There you go. Nice. Beautiful. Gotta wait, Joe. How about you guys? You guys get this? Coming down this turn here, guys. Have to step back, let him through.
Joseph, just get yours out.
Coming this way a little bit. No, hold on. Free line open.
There's a fucking seal right here.
No, I don't even matter, bro. You're fine. There you go, you're doing good stuff. Free line's not gonna do anything.
There it is.
I got you. Keep his head in the water. Let's see if you can get it. Hit that thing! Fucking shit.
Not my jig. Good shit. Let's go, boys.
Guys got two now. Guys got two. It's a work for it, guys. Gotta work for it.